Harry breaks down in court as J.R. Moehringer leaks evidence destroyed by Harry during spare publication. The stately marble halls of the courthouse echoed with anticipation as the high-profile defamation case between Prince Harry and acclaimed journalist J.R. Moehringer unfolded. The two men, whose lives had become intertwined in a complex web of accusations and counterclaims, now faced off in a legal battle that would test the bounds of truth and reputation. For months, the public had followed the salacious details of this case, captivated by the clash between a member of the royal family and the celebrated writer who'd once collaborated with him. As the proceedings reached a climactic moment, a twist emerged that would send shockwaves through the courtroom. It all started with a tell-all book project that Harry had undertaken with Moehringer, a Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist known for his compelling biographical works. The two had worked closely together, delving into the prince's personal experiences and crafting a narrative that promised to offer a rare, unvarnished glimpse into the life of a royal outsider. However, as the book neared completion, a rift developed between the collaborators. Harry grew increasingly uneasy with the direction the project was taking, concerned that Moehringer's depiction of events didn't align with his own recollections. Tensions escalated, and ultimately Harry decided to sue Moehringer for defamation, claiming that the journalist had misrepresented and distorted the facts. The courtroom battle that ensued was nothing short of high-stakes drama, with both sides presenting their arguments with unwavering conviction. Moehringer's legal team, led by a seasoned litigator, maintained that their client's portrayal of events was accurate and well substantiated. They argued that Harry's claims of defamation were merely an attempt to suppress the truth and protect his carefully curated public image. As the trial progressed, the tension in the courtroom steadily mounted. Witnesses were called, evidence was presented, and the two sides engaged in a relentless war of words, each seeking to convince the judge and jury of the veracity of their respective accounts. Then a bombshell dropped. Moehringer's legal team unveiled a crucial piece of evidence that had previously been kept under wraps: a copy of Harry's original manuscript for the book project. This manuscript, obtained through undisclosed means, presented a stark contrast to the claims Harry had made in his defamation suit. The pages revealed details and perspectives that directly contradicted the prince's assertions. Moehringer's portrayal of events, it seemed, had been far more accurate than Harry had publicly acknowledged. The manuscript painted a picture of a collaborative process that had at times been contentious, with Harry himself acknowledging the complexities and nuances of his experiences. As this evidence was presented to the court, the atmosphere in the room grew palpable. Spectators leaned forward, their eyes fixed on the unfolding drama, while the legal teams on both sides exchanged furtive glances, each attempting to gauge the impact of this unexpected development. In a moment that would become the talk of the town, Harry rose from his seat, his face flushed with a mixture of anger and discomposure. Without a word, he strode out of the courtroom, leaving the proceedings behind him. The abrupt departure sent shockwaves through the audience, who watched in stunned silence as the prince made his exit. Some speculated that the damaging evidence had shaken Harry's confidence in his case, while others wondered whether this was a tactical move, a last-ditch attempt to regain control of the narrative. Regardless of the underlying motivations, Harry's sudden departure from the courtroom only served to heighten the public's fascination with the case. Commentators and legal analysts alike scrambled to dissect the implications of this unexpected turn of events, with many suggesting that the prince's hasty exit could be seen as an implicit admission of the veracity of Moehringer's account. As for Harry, the ramifications of his abrupt departure from the courtroom remained to be seen. Would he attempt to regroup and continue the legal battle, or would he concede defeat, acknowledging the overwhelming evidence that undermined his defamation claims? The world watched with bated breath, eager to see how the final chapter of this high-stakes drama would unfold. One thing was certain: the clash between Harry and Moehringer had become a captivating case study in the complexities of truth, power, and the pursuit of personal and public narratives. As the legal proceedings continued, the public couldn't help but be drawn in, eager to witness the unfolding of a story that promised to leave a lasting impact on the relationship between the royal family and the media.